While I was visiting Senegal, I had the privilege of preparing a very delicious fish dish. I picked some grapefruits from the garden and we started cleaning the fish by adding some salt and lemon. After cleaning it very well, we added some cinnamon and some salt and covered it very well with aluminum foil. We preheated the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and baked the fish for around 30 minutes or till it is well cooked. Meanwhile, we heated 3 tablespoons of olive oil and added 1 cup of pine nuts and cooked them till they became brown. We have prepared 1 pound of onions cut into wedges. While they are cooked, we started preparing the tahini sauce by adding 1 cup of sesame paste. We squeezed 1 cup of grapefruits and 3 lemons, added them to the sesame paste, and we added to it 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of salt, and whisked them very well. When the onions are well cooked, we added the tahini sauce and left it to boil for around 5 minutes. Now the sauce is ready. You can use some of it and keep the rest for later. After we removed all the bones from the fish, we assembled it in a plate in a nice way and added some of the tahini sauce. You can use half of the recipe or you can leave it in the fridge for later use. We decorated the fish with the pine nuts, some lemons, and parsley. I hope you try this dish and it's very delicious. You can eat it either warm or cold and enjoy.